Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check maps and routes on Strava, but first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I will reveal my YouTube revenue statistics. So let's start. First go to Strava, and here you can see at the bottom maps. Click on that. And here you can see the route option, and it says that try out routes, hilly or flat, paved or dirt, find your new favorite run or ride with routes. So for routes you have to have a Strava subscription, but if I remember well, that for segments you don't have to have a Strava subscription. But let's see. Unlock all of Strava map tools, explore, plan or change up your next activity with personalized segment and route suggestions. So you can have, of course, a Strava subscription for all the Strava map tools. But now for the segments, you can see in my map that there are different kind of segments. So if I click on one, here is the name of the segment, the kilometers, and you can click on the see details, and here you have all the information about that segment. And if I click on this, have fellow athletes and Strava understand more about this segment. And okay, let's go back. So this is not what I wanted to see. Here you can see segment competition, want to earn a crown, fastest time, most effort. So here are very interesting options. Yeah. So let's go back, and let's see. Here are the saved ones, so you can save routes, you can start segments. So let's say if I click on the saved routes, no routes ended, of course. Start segments, start your favorite segments to see them here and easily keep track of your progress and effort. Okay, here is this option. Here you will find all the segments where you hold the best overall time, and local legends. Here you will find the segments where you hold the most overall efforts for the last 90 days. So this is for the maps option on Strava. I hope that it was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing. Wish you a very beautiful day. Bye bye.